Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to clear a group chat in WhatsApp Web. Clearing a group chat can help declutter your conversations and free up space on your device. Let's get started. Step 1. Launch the WhatsApp Web interface by visiting the official website and logging into your account. Step 2. Locate the group chat you want to clear from your chat list and click on it to open the conversation. Step 3. Look for the three dots icon, usually located at the top right corner of the chat window. Click on it to access additional options. Step 4. From the options menu, select Clear Chat to remove all messages and media from the group chat. Step 5. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you want to delete all messages and media from the group chat. Click on Clear Chat to proceed, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily clear a group chat in WhatsApp Web. This feature is great for keeping your conversations organized and maintaining a clutter-free messaging experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for more WhatsApp tricks and features.